In the world of rare muscle cars, few finds are as astonishing as the discovery of a 1990 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z equipped with the elusive 1LE performance package. This remarkable vehicle, which has remained hidden in a basement for over 3 decades, is making a stunning return to the automotive scene, and its story is just as captivating as the car itself. With an astonishing 6 miles on the odometer and a unique history, this Camaro is nothing short of a time capsule, and it's ready for a new owner. Finished in a striking bright blue metallic paint with a gray cloth interior, this 1990 Camaro is a rare gem that has defied time. For more than 30 years, it has been tucked away, untouched, and virtually brand new. Its 6-mile mileage makes it one of the lowest mileage third-generation Camaros still in existence, and possibly the most pristine example from that era. To say this car is rare is an understatement. It's an extraordinary survivor that's ready to be cherished by a new collector. What sets this Camaro apart from other classics is not just its mileage, but its rarity and special features. Built as part of a limited production run in 1990, this IROC-Z is equipped with the highly coveted 1LE package, a performance-focused option that was offered to only a select few. In fact, only 62 Camaros received the 1LE package that year, making it one of the rarest and most sought-after models from Chevrolet's muscle car lineup. The 1LE package included several key upgrades designed to enhance the Camaro's track capabilities. These features include heavy-duty shock absorbers, upgraded Corvette-sourced front disc brakes, an aluminum driveshaft, and a more efficient engine oil cooler. To further improve performance, the package also deleted non-essential features like the air conditioning, radio, and fog lamps, focusing purely on the driving experience. Under the hood, this Camaro is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 tuned port injection engine, capable of producing 245 horsepower, the most powerful engine available in the 1990 Camaro lineup. Combined with its 4-speed automatic transmission, the 1LE Camaro is ready to deliver an exhilarating driving experience, though this particular car has never even had the chance to roll down the road. This 1990 Camaro 1LE is still in its original, untouched condition, with the original engine and transmission in place. The car sits on its factory 15-inch aluminum wheels, shod in original Goodyear Eagle tires that have barely seen any wear. Even more remarkable is the presence of the original build sheet, dealer correspondence, and the window sticker, all of which add an extra layer of authenticity and value to this already rare find. After spending decades in storage, the Camaro was rescued by Jeff Makovich, a passionate Camaro enthusiast who saw the potential in this rare time capsule. After purchasing the car from the original owner's family, Jeff and his team carefully restored it to its original condition, ensuring that every detail was perfect. The car has since been professionally detailed and is now ready to make its public debut. This rare Camaro 1LE will be auctioned off at Mecum's 2025 Kissimmee event in Florida, scheduled for January 18th. Given its history, condition, and rarity, it is expected to attract significant attention from collectors and muscle car enthusiasts alike. The bidding is sure to be fierce, and while the final price is anyone's guess, there's no doubt that this 1990 Chevy Camaro 1LE will be one of the most sought-after vehicles at the event. With such a unique and valuable piece of automotive history up for grabs, it remains to be seen whether the lucky new owner will drive this classic muscle car or preserve it as the ultimate collector's item. Whatever the outcome, one thing is certain. This 1990 Chevrolet Camaro 1LE is a dream find for any car enthusiast, and a testament to the enduring appeal of classic American performance.